Hi, I'm Cassie Viella with Silverbridge Real Estate, and I'm here to give you another quick tip about maintaining your home. So I recently renovated one of my rental properties, and it was a pretty light renovation, mostly painting, and I changed the filter right before the contractor started. And then luckily I changed it again. I always change when I have a new tenant moving in just so that the HVAC unit gets like a fresh start. And so I happened to change it again, and I was really glad I did because I noticed that this thing is just so full of paint. And I thought, I've got to make a video about this. I got to make sure people remember if you're going to have any kind of contractors doing any kind of work in your home, especially if they're painting or doing something like texture, drywall, you want to make sure that right after they're done, you change the filter. This thing is like crunchy. I don't know how well the video can pick it up, but it's like crunchy. You can see where it got kind of stuck to the unit. I had to pull it out. If I rub on this, like my fingers get like super powdery. So it's just obvious that this thing is full of paint. And this would not let air through it. So if I had not changed this, my HVAC unit would have broken within a few weeks, of the tenant moving in, and I would have had a very expensive HVAC bill. So just a reminder, if you do any work yourself on your home, or if you have contractors come in, make sure you change the filter right afterwards. This is especially important if you use a painting contractor because they usually use the spray paint guns. And obviously that probably gets in the air a little bit thicker. So just remember to change your filter. You should be changing your filter once a month if you live in San Antonio and work your system out as hard as we do. But give it an extra change if you do any work. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and write in the comments if there's any other home maintenance suggestions or real estate suggestions that you'd like to see.